Hi, Project Share here. I did a mini album using Authentique's Rugged 6x6 paper pad. And I really like the paper, and I was determined to make a very small mini album. It is 4.5 by 6 by 1/2 inch. I mean, it's a tiny little thing, and I love this paper right here on this side. There's another section of it that you'll see in a little bit. I didn't plan on decorating it like this originally, but I forgot to add my magnet. So I ended up needing to add something here, and then this happened with the cut parts from the paper pack, which are adorable. So I got a flap that goes up. And I made a little mini booklet, like a photo mat that I leave blank on the inside. You can draw lines or write. It'd be great for journaling spots, or just adding a 3x4 photo into these would be great. I took a shipping tag and stamped with Stampers Anonymous. I used Playful Journey and Here and There. I've been dying to use these stamps here, the car and the train, and I've had it for years and years. I think going on 10 years. I finally decided this is when it's going to happen. And I figured enjoy the journey, and the journey is the destination. Kind of fit the theme here. This little cut apart says, take your place, make your mark, live your life. And see, this is the other section of that back decorative paper. And I was really aiming to use it. I almost fussy cut it out. I was like, you know what, I don't want to mess with the paper, so I just left it as is. And then I added this little cut apart, a true classic, onto, again, another little photo mat album. There's just a pocket there, to pocket there. This flap comes down, and that's it. It's pretty simple. It's super cute. I think it'd make a great gift. If anybody's even interested, I don't want to waste my time doing tutorials if no one's interested, so just let me know in the comment section. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching.